Why some them up grew up on your foot?
When, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gonna love.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Comment like trending. Well, today I'm gonna be unboxing 3 products from the TikTok shop. Yeah, guys, from TikTok shop, I got 3 products here. I got a selfie stick, and I also got a phone LED light. This light, they said this light can bright up the darkest place, so I'm gonna test it and see how it works. And I also get a foot grinder, guys, to scrub those calluses. I say call it something. Callus. Why some of them up grew up on your foot? Grew by calluses? Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna test these out to see if they work. So first I'm gonna be unboxing this selfie stick. Guys, it can rotate, so I'm gonna see, because on TikTok shop, I see that everywhere you go, this stick follow you. So I'm gonna see how good this is. I'm gonna see if this selfie show stick really do what it says. This is it, guys. I'm gonna be putting them together. I'm gonna put them together. And I also got a charger for it. This is it. It looks smaller in person, but on TikTok shop, it looks way bigger, but it's okay, guys. Okay, I'm gonna screw it. This is supposed to go somewhere. Okay, this is it. So you're gonna bring this up. Look at it, it have a little camera here. And it's have the charging port here. Okay. This should go at the bottom. Oh. Okay. Now gotta screw it on. So when you put it down, it level. Whoa, here. Okay. Oh, I see. And what is this? What is this now? Where this go? These are some little clips. I'm not sure where you put this. Oh, I guess you put them here. Okay. So I have the charging port. Really think this is supposed to go there? Okay, guys. I'm gonna be right back. Oh, I know, had my phone to the rotate selfie stick. So let's see if when I go like this, if it follows me. Yeah. Let me see. Sit down on you. This one, no. Go right on, guys. Lord. Keep moving. Keep moving around. I got to get the angle of this. I got to play with it until I know how to work it. But as you can see, it is working, guys. It is working. Look. Oh, wait a go. Okay, stop now. Stop. So guys, that's the selfie stick. So 360 selfie magic gimbal. Yeah, guys. I'm new to these things, so bear with me. And the other product. Okay, guys, and this is the other product. This is a mobile phone LED light. This you use when you're in the dark, filming, making videos, making your content. Then set is bright, so let's see. Whoa. Oh, it comes with charger. That means I have to charge it. This is the clip-on that you put on the phone. And this one, oh, this is to put the phone in. Okay. This part is to put the phone in. Guys, I'm afraid it break. Okay, and this is the light. Look at it. It is extremely beautiful. This is nice. Okay. So guys, let's test out this LED light to see how bright it is. Although I'm not really in a dark place, but let's still test it out, guys. Let me see. I think this is the power part that you turn it on. Whoa! Isn't this amazing, guys? This is awesome, and you can turn it up. You can turn it up, and you can turn it down. You can turn it down, see? And you can turn it up. And I got all these products on TikTok Shop. Look at it. Wow. You can put it on your phone. This was made for your phone, guys. You just clip it on your phone when you're doing videos, and your videos will be bright and smooth. Look at this. I don't want to look in the light, guys, but look. It is amazing for the dark. Very good product. Okay, let me turn it off because this is definitely too bright. Okay, this is a foot scrub grinder. This is a foot grinder. And all these products are very good products. All these products are available on TikTok Shop. All you have to do is search for these products in TikTok Shop and purchase them. I'm gonna put the link. I'm gonna put the link below. So you guys, if you're interested, you just click the link and go purchase it. Whoa, this is the foot grinder. Okay, let me see. We also get a charger with it. So this is the power part that you use to turn it on. Wow. And it looks like it. Wow, you can also turn it up. Look. And use it to get rid of coins on the foot and also on the down. You know, sometimes if you use broom a lot and you get some coin here, you can use it to remove it and smooth it down. This is good. I'm gonna do a video of it, using it on my foot because I have some little cleanup to do down there, guys. Well, guys, this is it. I finished the unboxing, so I hope you guys like the video, and I want you guys to like and comment. And tell me what you think about these products. If you think you're gonna purchase them or would you try them out? Okay, this is very nice. You can tighten it. Right now, I'm glad for this, cause sometime at night time I lay down in the dark and you just wanna do some little clippings of, a selfie. You can't just use this in the dark to do a selfie. In your bed, outside, in your couch, if you don't want to turn on your TV or light, you just put this on your phone, clip it on, and use it. It's very convenient. And all these products are good. Me glad for that selfie stick you tell me no know myself, guys. Me glad for it. You know what I want when I didn't selfie stick, yeah? Guys, please remember to like and comment. Thanks for watching. I remember me say me go put the link them in the description below so you know go click it and then head to the TikTok shop.